Okay, we got the Redcat Racing Volcano out today, Nitro version. Just pop it out and do a quick start up, break in. Come ready to run out the box with the remote, truck, everything you need, except for nitro fuel and 12 AA batteries. Okay, I need a knife. Yeah, I like them chrome wheels, that H. It's so hope I don't need my tool. Fit up in it. Yep, all you gotta do is put 4 batteries in the truck for the electronics, 4 AA, and 8 in the transmitter. So let's say get a close up on it. It's fine. It's ready to run. Yeah, you pop the 4 AA in here. You always want to put some little tape around it or some or a rubber band. I don't think I got none right now. So I hope I ain't gonna go too hard because if one of these batteries come out, I might have a chance of it running away on me and going 60 miles an hour and shoot straight into the traffic. So I'm gonna do it. Actually, I gotta do a break-in before I do any of that anyway. So I might get some footage of me going full speed. But I gotta break in 5 tanks. The break-in takes 5 tanks. 5 little tanks. Fill it up. Let it idle or drive it slow. Whichever one. I'm just gonna let it idle the first tank, and then I'm gonna drive it slow the second tank. Figure 8. After that, I can go fast as I want to. I got this off of eBay, $240. That was with shipping, and it came right to my door. It took about 1 week. Yep, we're gonna get this. Fill them up. %. Traction's full. You still rolling? Alright. I'm gonna drop you some fuel in there. Cap it out. Okay. Now we need to get the glow plug. Alright. Turn your transmitter on. Turn your car on. Everything working. Take the glow plug. Make sure this lit. Turn your trim in the middle. Turn it up a little bit, all the way up. And give it a pull. Choke it, cook free time. Turn your coat back down. First 5 tanks, you want to break it in. Just let it idle or drive slow. After the first 5 tanks, you go fast if you want to, as long as your tuning's perfect. So I'm just gonna pop top back on, let them idle the first 5, and we're gonna get back with y'all in a few seconds. said, guys, first time tank with it idle, you drive it slow. Look at it, you drive fast as well. Yes, sir. We'll be back when it's broke in, baby. Peace.